Welcome to our lesson on the characteristics and classification of living things. Look around you. Animals, plants, fungi, and more. Living things make up our entire natural world. But how do we know if something is alive? Let's find out together. Living things share 7 key characteristics. If something shows all of these, we know it's alive. 1. Feeding. Living things need food or energy to grow and survive. Humans eat food, and plants make their own using sunlight. 2. Breathing, respiration. All living things exchange gases. Animals breathe in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, while plants do the opposite. 3. Moving living things move. Some, like animals, can walk, swim, or fly, while plants move towards sunlight. 4. Excretion. Living things get rid of waste. Humans excrete urine and carbon dioxide, and plants release oxygen. 5. Growing. All living things grow. A baby becomes an adult, and a seed grows into a tree. 6. Reproduction. Living things reproduce. Humans have babies, cats have kittens, and plants produce seeds. 7. Sensitivity. Living things respond to their environment. We shiver when it's cold, and plants turn toward light. Now that we know what makes something alive, let's see how scientists organize living things. This system is called classification, and it helps us understand the different types of life on Earth. Let's look at the 5 kingdoms of living things. 1. Animals, Animalia. Animals are multicellular and can move. This group includes humans, birds, fish, and more. 2. Plants, Plantae. Plants make their own food through photosynthesis, like trees and flowers. 3. Fungi. Fungi break down dead material. This kingdom includes mushrooms and mold. 4. Protists. Protists are single-celled organisms like algae and amoeba. 5. Monera, bacteria. Bacteria are simple, single-celled organisms that help break down waste and aid digestion. Animals can be divided into 2 major groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals with backbones, such as mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians. Invertebrates are animals without backbones, like insects, worms, and jellyfish. Plants are also divided into 2 groups. Flowering plants produce flowers and seeds, like roses and hibiscus. Non-flowering plants do not produce flowers, like mosses and ferns. Fungi and bacteria play important roles in nature. Fungi break down dead material, and bacteria help with digestion and recycling nutrients. Today, we explored the characteristics that all living things share, learned about how they are classified, and looked at examples of animals, plants, fungi, and bacteria. Let's do a quick review. What are the 7 characteristics of living things? 2. Can you name the 5 kingdoms of living things? 3. What is the difference between vertebrates and invertebrates? 4. What are some examples of flowering and non-flowering plants? Great job today! Now you know what makes something a living thing and how scientists classify the incredible diversity of life on Earth. See you next time.